Location, style, and space, this home has it all. With 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms in the heart of Oakland, this home has over 3,400 square feet, a spacious living area, and a gorgeous backyard oasis. Come take a look. With this gorgeous backyard oasis, just minutes from downtown Winter Garden and steps away from the West Orange Trail, you have got to come take a look for yourself. Give us a call today to schedule your private showing.